Hey guys, PDX Lockpicker here. And if you remember a couple of videos ago, I recently went to my local locksmith and got a bunch of locks. And then one of these locks he gave me was a Kwikset 660 that he pinned himself as a challenge lock for his coworkers. And that's what I got in here. So I installed this on my practice board and swapped out the locks. And I finally got it open. I have yet to gut it, but we're gonna gut that together on camera. So here we go. I'll lock it up, and I'm gonna use my medium Z bar because if you remember, even though the largest Z bar fits, it's too wide and it obstructs the warding down here. All right. So I think this thing is chock full of spools. Uh, I fell into like 3 false sets to get this open. Oh, a little light tension. Here we go. Oh man, it's hard on camera. All right. One. One. Two. Three's kind of springy and grinding. Then I gotta click out of him. It's 4 springy. And then, oh, 5 is binding real hard. All right, I think I fell in the false set already. Back to the beginning. 1. 2's binding now. Click. 3 springy. This is another one. Click. And then 5, click again. If you saw, I fell into my second false set. 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to lighten up a little bit. I'll reverse it a little bit. Doing the wiggle thing, the bouncing. Try to wiggle the pin in. All right, back down to my set. 5, click there. Back to the beginning. Now 1's binding. Reverse counter rotation. Button up. Click. 2, 3, 4 again. That kind of feels set. Alright, back to the beginning. Click. Oh, nope. Something dropped. Oh, sorry. I want to go. There we go. Click. Oh, I'm in a weird set now. All right, 3's binding, right? Oh, he's springy. Is this the binder? Little counter rotation, yeah. That was number 4, nothing on 5. Back beginning, 1. Am I set on 1? I'll leave them be. We go to 2. One thing I've gotten really good at is finding the very tip of the pins now. I can really feel it. Rotate the core back a little bit. back down to the set. That feels set. 5, that's probably 4. Reverse, back up. Boom. Got it open. All right. That wasn't too bad. A little longer than my first couple tries. I think honestly the first couple tries were flukes though. All right, so I'm gonna keep it. Let's see. I'm gonna keep it at 3 o'clock. Oh, sorry, fell out of the camera, but still in my hand. I'm not lying to you. That never left my hand. All right, let's go down. Okay. All right. So for this, the Kwikset removal tool is very handy. I know I can use my gut wrench to pick it out, but because I'm working on a Kwikset, might as well take it out. Nope. Tail piece out, follower. Let's see where I'm at. Then let's go. All right, looks like. Ooh. What do we have here? Here, I'm going to dump these pins out first. Oh, shoot. What do we have? Let me get a camera. White. What the heck do we have in here? Undercuts on 1, 3, 4. All right. Okay, I'm gonna get this out. I don't have a key for this. So let's hope I don't mess up these pins. Or does it even matter? It probably doesn't even matter if I mess up these key pins. Well, let's try to dump them out one at a time. Okay. It's 5. Those undercuts are making it hard to come out. Whoa. That's in first. What the freaking hell? You serious? Jeez. All these key pins are spooled. Crazy. All right. Let's see what's in the Bible. Sorry. Spool in one. Oh dang. That's a springy spring. I guess I'll take him out too. That's a huge spring. That's what she said. Okay, standard in two. See, look at the size of the difference of those springs. Jeez. Another spool in three. Looks like a regular spring. Spool in four. Like a real small spring. I was right. Small copper spring in four. Spool in five. All right. Let's see the insides of this. Sorry. I think the Bible looks normal. I don't see any real cuts on that. But let me get a closer look for this up for you guys. This is way cool. All right. So we got three normal springs, a soft one in four, a real big one in number one, and then we got spools in 1, 3, 4, 5. A little bit of variations in the cuts, but look at these key pins. Lots of cuts in these key pins. One standard, but 2 and 3 are serrated, kinda. 4 kind of spooled, and then 5 is standard as well. I was surprised I got this open. This looks like it should be harder than it is, but I don't know why I got it open so quick. And I did it on the board too. I didn't do it in my hands. Well, anyways, this video is getting a little long, so I'll wrap it up. That's all I got for you guys. As always, never pick a lock that you don't own or have explicit permission to pick, and never pick a lock and use. That's all I got. Take care.